From time to time we hear about some character predicting the end of the Earth. It's a fairly popular occurrence out in California. The faithful followers all pack lunches and usually climb up on the side of a high mountain to await the cataclysm. The time set for the end arrives. The clocks of the world go on ticking. The loyal followers look at each other, then at their annoyed leader, finish their lunches, and go home again. Well, it's my painful duty today to inform you that the Earth is coming to an end. The trouble with all the disappointed prophets of the past has been their timing. I know when the Earth is going to finally glow with a bright incandescent light and vanish into vapor. Do you know much about our sun? Well, the sun is a medium-sized star located some 93 million miles away. It's more than 1 million times the size of the Earth. In fact, the sun is 700 times as big as the mass of all the bodies in our solar system. And it is a solar system. The system all revolves about and is totally supported and dependent and sustained by the sun. But the sun, worse luck, is running out of gas. If you think we here on Earth have energy problems, you might remember that every BTU or horsepower of energy on Earth was put there by the sun. The sun's energy is what we burn in fossil fuels. It's in our food. The wind is caused by the convection of air currents set in motion by the sun's heat. The Earth's water was created by the sun through evaporation and is constantly renewed and purified by the sun. But scientists believe that and here's the real time of the Earth's demise, scientists believe that in about 3 billion years the sun will have burned up its energy supply. As it reaches the end, it will greatly expand and consume its children, which includes us. So we have only about 3 billion years left on this planet. Now, when our sun expands, dies, and falls back upon itself, perhaps sentient beings in other parts of the universe will note its flare and comment that another medium-sized star has burned out. Long before that event takes place, and it's happening all the time in the universe, of course, say in about 2 billion years or so, we can begin a leisurely survey of the universe to find a new home for the remnants of our species still on old Earth. Actually, in 2 billion years, there'll be very few of our species remaining on Earth. It's believed that most of the people will be living in beautiful space capsules, dirt and pollution-free, anyway by then. All they have to do is crank up their plasma engines or whatever nifty form of propulsion will evolve in 2 billion years or so and just move from this solar system to another one. They'll never have to leave the Milky Way galaxy, of course. It contains about 200 billion stars, much like our sun, some larger, some smaller. There are some so large, in fact, and you've got to stretch your imagination a bit to comprehend this. There are some stars so large that if one were placed exactly where our sun is now, our Earth would be almost at its exact center. Can you savvy that? But we've still got about 3 billion years to go.